Hey agents, Melissa DiMaria here. I am so excited to be joining you in your market center here soon to talk with you about how to be successful with your buyers. Every market has its challenges, and we certainly have them in our market today. Are you doing a strong buyer consultation? Are you having every buyer sign a buyer agreement with you? Are you comfortable doing that? How are you helping your buyers narrow down and navigate the financial market that we're in currently? Those are all things that we are going to tackle in our class, our Win with Buyer class coming soon. I hope that you will join me. I am a single agent, have been for almost 19 years. Over half of my business is working with buyers. I sell 36 to 40 transactions a year. I really do love buyers, and I have a great system that I'm super excited to share with you. I hope that you'll join me and that you will get really strong in your procedures and your systems for working with buyers so that you can close more of them. I will see you really soon. Have a fantastic day.